What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your headlights. As you can see, this one is like all faded. It's not that bad, but it's kind of I don't like it, bro. This one's brand new. It's a brand new headlight, so this thing's like already like crystal clear. This one's all faded, and this is like an old headlight. Today I'm just going to be cleaning this one because this one doesn't need it, just this one. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to, if you have hazy, foggy, cloudy headlights, I'm gonna show you how to clean your headlights. So I'm gonna be using this. This is Meguiar's cleaning solution. So first thing you want to do is make sure your headlight is clean. You know, like wipe it down, clean your car, do something that has to be cleaned up, right? I ended up using Meguiar's 3-in-1 wax, and then as well as turtle wax scratch and swirl, and then I used Meguiar's cleaning solution. So I just ended up using these three on the headlight. So what I'm gonna do, as it says on the back, I'm gonna squirt a quarter size of this on here, and then I'm gonna wipe this down. It looks better. It's not perfect. It's still a little like cloudy, but it does look better. This one's brand new. This car's been in an accident before me. So this one's brand new. They replaced that one. And then this one's like the older one. It's a little cloudy, as you can see, like right here. And it used to be a yellow like on the top right here, but it looks better. But it's not perfect, so it's whatever. That's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.